Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Alright y'all, it is time to open Birchbox. I got this one in. Well, my husband brought it in last night from the mailbox, so got it yesterday. And I think I'm waiting still on I got MORPHEME, my bad. Which that video will be up soon. You may see it before you see this one. And I'm waiting on Sephora. Okay, let's get into this. Finally. I appreciate their efforts to keep your items from getting like broke. I appreciate their effort, their mailing effort, but sometimes it's really difficult to get into. Okie dokie. And then we have a purpley yellow box, perfect for spring, early spring. I know, I'm really weird. Sorry. No, sorry. Okay, and then the paper, which I will get into in just a second. Alright, now the first thing I see is Prescriptives Camouflage Cream Concealer. Warm Light 03. Yeah, that's, well, I don't know, that might be almost too pale. I don't know. I don't really want to open it though, because I might not keep this. I'll have to read about it and see, because I don't really have a whole lot to cover. I don't want to brag, but y'all know, y'all seen my bare face, y'all know I don't really have a whole lot to cover. Okay, next thing I see is this Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I think I've tried this before. Oh, I didn't even show y'all that concealer. Have y'all tried this? If you have, let me know. Because, you know, is it super full coverage? I mean, I guess I could swatch it. Well, I can't get it open. Well, I got it open. Oh, shit. Well, I don't know. It kind of course, a little bit does go a long way. Look at that. It's not thick. It's kind of regular. I might try it. It's kind of my skin tone. Let's put my beauty blender with it. Let's see. Well, it blends pretty good. I might try it. A Met Twit. Of course, y'all know if the concealer is full coverage enough, like the Tarte Shape Tape, I'll just wear it as a foundation and just spot conceal where I feel it's necessary. I just want to wear a foundation. Okay, and next, continue. The Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This, I feel like I've tried this before, and I think I liked it. Let me know down below if you have tried it. And its ingredients are water, aqua, glycerin, you know. And I like that. I don't want dimethicone to be like the very first thing. Like, if it's going to have silicones in it, I want it to be on the last of the list. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to cover my face in silicones. And as much as I love It Cosmetics, their skincare, like their moisturizers and their eye cream, that's like the very first, almost the very first ingredient. And I don't like that. Because if I'm not mistaken, I think all silicones do is just, they don't really do any long-term repairing of lines or anything like that. They just kind of fill it in and then it's over. Like once you wash your face, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, then I see an Arco Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. Have y'all tried this? I haven't tried this brand at all. I mean, I'm okay, but I'm kind of iffy on my shampoos because I don't want there to be a whole lot of silicones and, you know, things that are going to weigh it down and whatnot, because I've already got flat hair anyway, and I hate it too. Like, my hair literally, I can tease my hair and tease it and tease it and tease it for 10 minutes and put in like an extra hold hairspray. 2 minutes later, literally, it just falls. Yeah, this is volume for my hair. But it does say it's paraben, sulfate free. Well, okay, never mind. It says paraben, sulfate-free, petroleum, and mineral oil-free, cruelty and gluten-free, vegan, UV protection. Okay, I might like it. We'll see. I might try it. Okay. because this seems like it's got the same kind of ingredients as the shampoo and conditioner that I use, which is a natural one. It's by Hello Hair. If you haven't tried it, you definitely should. It's kind of pricey, but I think that this RG stuff is too. Or RC Co. I don't know what the hell it is. And this I'm not excited about because I had this before and I don't even think it worked for me. I may give this to my mom though, because it's a Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray by Amica. I'm probably just going to give this to her, see if she wants it. Have y'all tried it? Let me know. I think I tried it before and it didn't do anything for my hair. Not excited about that. And this is pretty. Okay. Oh, and it's a matte lipstick. Okay. It's by the Love of Color, which, if I'm not mistaken, is that not Toddy Westbrook's brand with Birchbox or whatever? I don't know, but I think it is. Rose to the Occasion Vibrant Matte Lipstick. Ooh, that's a pretty color. That's really pretty. Ooh, I like that. That's pretty. Okay. Then the next thing is a MAC Cleanse Off Oil. I've actually kind of been wanting to try this. I like oil cleansers, so yeah. Okay, that's cool. Let's see, anything else? Alright, we're done with that. Okay. It says, take a breath for yourself with the products below. The Amica Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray retails for $25. The star ingredient of this brand line is a sea buckthorn berry, which intensely nourishes hair. This lightweight styler also volumizes, smooths, and protects for a bouncy blowout. I mean, I mostly just wash my hair at night and let it air dry so that I don't have to blow dry my hair, because my hair takes a long time to blow dry. And I know you're kind of looking at it going, your hair looks so thin, but my hair's not thin. I don't know why my hair after 4, 5, 6 days of me sleeping on it, it appears thin, but my hair's not thin. My hair is actually very, very thick. I guess it looks thinner because it's straight, but yeah, my hair's not thin. It's very deceiving. So I usually just wash it at night and let it air dry before I even go to bed, and then I wake up and then I just straighten it. I just don't even worry about, I mean, my hairdresser, when I go and have a haircut done and get my hair colored and everything, she will, but you can ask her that it takes her quite a few minutes to blow dry it. And if I am going to blow dry it, I usually let it air dry for a good, few minutes, a long time. Till at least half of it is dry before I even go in with a blow dryer. Anyways, now that I have bored you with my hair. Okay, and the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream retails between $29.50 and $49.50. $49.50 must be the mega size. This creamy moisturizer instantly absorbs without feeling greasy thanks to desert plant extracts and nourishing squalane. Applied to clean skin morning and evening. Yeah, I think I've tried that and I think I really liked it. Okay, and the Love of Color, which is exclusive to Birchbox, Vibrant Matte Lipstick, Rose to the Occasion, full size is $10. That's really not that bad. This Taupe Berry shade will be your new go-to color. The buttery smooth formula features a comfortable matte finish that lasts all day. Okay. Then MAC Cosmetics Cleanse Off Oil retails for between $12 and $32. Remove the most stubborn makeup with this gentle botanical-based oil cleanser made with olive fruit, evening primrose, I don't know how you say that, and jojoba seed, my bad. Massage onto dry skin and then rinse. And I can't wait to try that. And the Prescriptives Camouflage Cream Concealer, light warm, retails for $22. This silky concealer's long-wearing and crease-free formula provides medium coverage and natural looking finish. Dab lightly under the eyes or on top of any blemish. I'll have to try that. Now I'm intrigued. Since I swatched it on my hand, I'm very intrigued because y'all saw it didn't, it seemed to cover, but it's not like bad. I might try it up under my eyes. That's really my only problem area, is right in through here from being so tired. Then the Arco, which is also exclusive to Birchbox. Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner retails between $30 and $32. Happy and healthy hair is a shower away thanks to this Strengthening Shampoo and Conditioner Duo, which boosts body shine and softness. Alright. Seems kind of cool. The only thing I'm not really that excited about is the Amica blowout spray. I might give that to my mom, though, because she would use something like that. Alright, y'all. What did y'all get in your box? Do you get Birchbox? What did you get in any of your boxes? I really want to know. Alright, y'all. So I guess that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Especially if you're new, because I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So be sure to hit that little red button down below and the notification bell beside it so you can always be notified when I upload a video. And so come on back to my channel on those days for new content. I don't remember if I said that or not. On those days. Whatever. And yeah, so I guess I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend, since it's Friday for me. I don't know about for you. Alright guys, I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.